I walk toward the coffee shop. I walk toward the coffee shop. I push open the glass door. I push open the glass door. I smell fresh coffee. I smell fresh coffee. I look around for a seat. I look around for a seat. I read the drink menu carefully. I read the drink menu carefully. I compare different coffees. I compare different coffees. I choose a caramel cappuccino. I choose a caramel cappuccino. I step up to the counter. I step up to the counter. Hello, may I take your order? Hello, may I take your order? I would like a caramel cappuccino, please. I would like a caramel cappuccino, please. I wait beside the pickup area. I wait beside the pickup area. Your order is ready. Your order is ready. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The cup feels hot. The cup feels hot. I carry everything to an empty table. I carry everything to an empty table. I sit near the window. I sit near the window. Steam rises from my coffee. Steam rises from my coffee. I take my first sip. I take my first sip. I break my muffin in half. I break my muffin in half. I write down new ideas. I write down new ideas. I answer a few messages. I answer a few messages. I focus on my work quietly. I focus on my work quietly. My cup is almost empty. My cup is almost empty. I check the time on my phone. I check the time on my phone. I clean my table before leaving. I clean my table before leaving. I thank the staff before leaving. I thank the staff before leaving.
Great job! Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.